Just open Play Store, search for Zoom app, click on install. Once the app is installed, we will open it to further enter the meeting details, meeting ID and the passwords you need to be entered to enter into a meeting. Okay, let it install. Open it. No need to sign up or sign in here, just join a meeting. So your details will be private only. Now you have to enter the meeting ID, it will be provided. Here you have to enter your name, remove your mobile's name and enter your name. Then press on join meeting. Now here we have to enter the meeting password. I have set it to this for the sake of this video. Please allow Zoom access permissions. It will ask for permission of camera and mic. We have to allow it. Okay. Now join with the video. Video is okay. Just join with the video.